Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I partner with Luxediva hair company and they sent me a beautiful hair and I'm going to do a review on the hair. So before I get to the video, if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button guys and hit the notification bell. It will tell you when I upload a video. Let's get out to the video. Luxediva official hair company, and they sent me a beautiful wig as a human hair, a fringe, and I'm going to be doing a review on the hair. So the hair is actually beautiful. So actually the hair came on this with this packet like that, and that's it really. And it shows the size, the length of the hair. It says 16 inches, and on there it just wrote the inches, I guess. So the type of wig, styles, type, color of hair they have really. So yeah, so that it came in this packet. So and opening it, it comes like that. So literally comes with wig cap and oh, they get a free makeup brush. That is actually so cute. Oh, thank you. So it came with a makeup brush, and yay, that's the hair. The hair is, let's see. Okay. It's actually human hair and it's so affordable guys. It is really affordable. I'll leave the link on the description down below. It is, oh wow, it is actually soft guys. Oh my god, soft. And I'm actually so particular about black colors, and they got me exactly what I love. Like, it's really beautiful, and you guys know me, I love fringe. So yeah, go check them out. It's really beautiful, very soft. I won't even, let me comb it and see. Nothing on the comb. Okay, so it's time to try it on. I think I will need some, trimming of the fringe. Sometimes I don't like my fringe too long. So let me try it on. So guys, so it's gonna need some trimming. So I'm gonna get this hair, getting it twist and trim. Oh, I'm loving the texture. It is killing. Texture is so nice. I love how soft it is. It's really soft. So yeah, I'm going to start with the trimming. So yeah guys, you see how lovely this wig is. I am so loving this wig. It is so beautiful guys. So check them out. It's very affordable. This is the length 16 inches and color 1B, I think 1B. and this is the one with no lace. And sometimes I kind of like the one with the lace in the middle, but this is no lace one, and is human hair, 100% human hair. As you can see, the hair is really soft. I am so loving the hair, so check them out, guys. The hair is really beautiful. So yes, guys, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will leave the link on in the description below, the where you can get the hair from. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. I hope this video is very helpful for you, and I hope you find it helpful though. So yeah, check them out and get back to me on how beautiful the hair is. So thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.